Optimizing a Semrush site audit is crucial to improving the overall performance and health of your website. To begin, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Site Audit section. Here you can enter your website's URL and select the type of audit you want to perform, such as a full scan or a scan of a specific subdomain. The next step is to configure your audit settings, including the crawl source, user agent, and crawl depth. It is essential to set up these parameters correctly to ensure that your audit results are accurate and comprehensive. You can also set up email notifications to receive updates on the audit progress and results. Once the audit is complete, review the report to identify technical issues and areas for improvement. Semrush provides a list of errors, warnings, and notices, along with recommendations for fixing them. Prioritize the issues based on their severity and impact on your website's performance. One of the key concepts to focus on is crawlability, which refers to how easily search engines can crawl and index your website's pages. To improve crawlability, ensure that your website has a clear hierarchy, with easy-to-follow navigation and minimal broken links. You can also use the Semrush Site Audit tool to identify and fix duplicate titles, meta descriptions, and headings. Another critical aspect of site optimization is page speed, which can significantly impact user experience and search engine rankings. Use the Site Audit tool to identify slow-loading pages and optimize images, compress files, and leverage browser caching to improve page load times. In addition to technical optimization, it is essential to focus on content optimization. Use the Site Audit tool to identify duplicate or thin content, and optimize your pages with unique, high-quality, and keyword-rich content. You can also use the tool to identify and fix internal linking issues, which can help improve user experience and search engine rankings. To get the most out of your Semrush site audit, it is essential to regularly review and update your website. Schedule regular audits to identify and fix new issues, and use the tool to track your progress over time. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Semrush site audit and improve your website's overall performance, health, and search engine rankings.